Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Lakshmi's One Stop. Today in this video we will see how to make these beautiful diyas for the upcoming festival Diwali. I have shown 3 different ways of making these diya holders. These are very easy and fun to make. So let's get started how to make these diya holders. The clay which I am using here is Crayola air dry clay. There is no need to bake this clay, you can directly dry it out and use it. For rolling the clay, use talcum powder or any baby powder. Knead the clay well before rolling so that it will become little bit soft. Roll the dough little bit thick so that you can pick it up from the surface very easily like 2 mm or 3 mm. Don't roll it very thin like chapati or puri. Here I am using different shapes of cookie cutters. Before using the cookie cutter, dust the cookie cutter also well so that the clay will not stick to the cutter. Remove carefully and place the clay in a bowl which is dusted with powder. If you don't want to have some bend with the shape, you can place it in the plain surface also. Dust well the bowl well so that it will not stick to the bowl. If the cookie cutters are not available, you can draw the shape after rolling the clay and you can cut it out. That method is also easy. You can use butter knife to remove the clay. Here I am doing small rounds for the base. Since I want it a little bit height, I am doing this base which is totally optional. You can use it directly also. Let it dry for minimum 24 hours to 48 hours. Now all our clay molds are ready. If there are any rough edges, we can smooth it out by using sandpaper. Do it very gently while doing it. Here I am using hard glue gun to stick the base. You can use any glue. Anything will work perfectly fine. Here I am using acrylic paints for coloring these molds. You always need to do 2 coats. First coat will be very light to do on the clay. The materials which I am using here for this video, I will be providing all the links in the description box. Please go through it. I will be posting many more DIYs for this upcoming festival Diwali. Please stay tuned. If you like any one of my videos and want to try it out, please share your pics with me on my Instagram. It will be my pleasure to watch all your pictures. After first coating, let them dry before going to the second coating. For the second coat, you can use sponge dab also. That will give you different texture, whichever you like. After each coating, we need to dry them out before going for any details. Here I am using gold acrylic paint for the little details so that we can get a festive look. While adding the little details, we can use paint markers also. Here I am using acrylic paint markers. I will be providing that link also in the description box. Here I am using Mod Podge to give the glossy finish. Since the silver color and gold color is glossy by itself, I am using here only for the purple color. Using Mod Podge is totally optional. If you want to go with the natural look, you can leave it as it is. For the next DIY, I am using here little cookie cutters for having that flower shape. Always dust the cutters well with powder, else the clay will stick to the cutters. And also dust the plate which you will be using for drying, else the clay will stuck to the surface where you are drying. Try to include gold color while adding the details. It always gives us festive look. The last DIY for today is our traditional diya holders. For getting that round shape, I am using back of the tumbler which is dusted well with powder, or you can use any tea light candle holder also. Always use talcum powder or any baby powder for doing this DIY. You can't use all-purpose flour or any wheat flour. It will not work out. Like these tea light candle holders also you can use, but don't forget to dust it. like this video, please give a like and don't forget to subscribe. This video is part 1. Next video will be coming soon with 3 more DIYs. Stay connected for watching these beautiful 3 DIYs coming soon in my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.